There are two simple ways to create a YouTube channel. I will show you all the two ways and you choose the one you like. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, click the subscribe button to become part of our YouTube community and click the like button to show me your presence and support. So there is a difference between YouTube channel and then YouTube account. YouTube account is after you have registered an email on your phone and you use that email to log into YouTube. You can watch any videos at all. That one is your YouTube account. But if you want to be allowed to be posting videos onto YouTube, then you have to create what? A YouTube channel. Now, the first way to create a YouTube channel is using YouTube website. Here are the steps.
So on your computer, let's go to Google. Let's go to google.com. After we reach google.com, then we will search for youtube.com. Now you click on the first one, okay, where you see YouTube, www.youtube.com. So you click on it, and then it will take you to the YouTube platform as a new person signing in, all right? Now you see the page like this because you have just started. You are now signing in, okay? You are signing in newly. So what you're going to do is you check the top right corner. You check the top right corner, you see sign in, all right? So you click on the sign in. So here you enter your email address and then you click on next, right? To move to the next page. So over here, you enter your password and then you click on next. You can click on skip and then over here too, you can click on skip, all right? So let's proceed from here. So now we have created a YouTube account. So we are going to use it to create a YouTube channel, all right? So at the top right corner, you see your profile picture there or a letter representing your profile picture. So you will click on that letter. So under your email, your name will be on top and then you see create a channel over there. So you click on create a channel. Great. At top, you can add your profile picture there if you want. Now, you will be given two options for naming your channel. The first one is either you use your Google name or you create a custom name. If you say you are using your Google name, it simply means you are creating your channel with your full name based on your Google account. And if you say you are creating a custom name, it means you can create a unique name for your channel. So out of these two options, you will choose one. All right. You see your name will be there because the name on the email is what they will give you. All right. So you select it and then you type the actual name that you want to give to your YouTube channel. And as and when you are typing the name, you see that YouTube will also change your handle, your YouTube channel handle to the name that you give to your channel, all right, so that people will be able to find your channel easily. So anytime they type your channel handle or your channel name, they search it on YouTube, they will easily find it, you understand? So you can leave it at the handle, you can leave it like that if you're okay with it, and then you go and then you click on the create channel, you understand? You go and then click on the create channel to get your channel ready for use. Great. So now the channel has been created, having your channel name and your channel handle on your YouTube platform. That is all. But for your channel to have a very good look, just like this channel, you need to add profile picture, channel banner, and an about section to tell viewers what your channel is about. You can also add links to your social media or your website, or you can even leave your contact info for people to contact you, right? After making all those setups, then you get your channel ready to upload your first video. See, I have prepared a complete step-by-step YouTube VIP class where I teach you everything you need to know and do from the beginning till you make your first $100 on YouTube. It's a VIP class, so it's specially for those ready to learn and make money right away. If you are interested, see the link in the description below and click to register now. The second way to create a YouTube channel is using the YouTube app on your smartphone. You can do this on either Android phone or an iPhone. So here is the step-by-step procedure of creating a YouTube channel using your smartphone, whether an Android phone or an iPhone. So what you're supposed to do is to go to Play Store if it's an Android phone or App Store if it is an iPhone, all right? So if you have gone to Play Store or App Store, then you search for YouTube, okay? If it is not already on your phone. So you search for it and then you download it, the YouTube app. So this is the YouTube app.
All right, you download it and then install on your phone. So if you have already done that, then open the YouTube app. All right, so let me open mine. I have opened my YouTube app right here. Now you'll be asked to allow YouTube to send you notifications. So you click on allow. All right. Now the next thing is that you have to make sure that you are already signed in into Google account on your phone. If you have signed in into Google account on your phone, you will see at the top right corner that your profile picture is there, okay, or there is a letter representing your profile at the top right corner. So you tap your profile icon at the top right corner and then you click on your channel, okay. Click on your channel. So you click on your channel, and if you're having channel already created, the channel will be opened just like this one. If you're not having a channel already, then if you click on it, you'll be prompted to create a channel, okay. So let me switch to a different email which is not having a channel so that I use it to teach you. So this email that I've used to sign in on the phone is not having a channel yet. So you click on the profile at the top right corner and then you click on your channel. All right, good. And then you'll be prompted to add your profile picture, okay, at this side. So you see the written picture there. Change your photo or take a new one. So you can click on the camera at the right hand side to take a picture, okay, and then you add your picture there. So after clicking on it, you see camera here. You use the camera to take a picture instantly. If you don't want to use a camera but you want to use a picture which is already on your phone, then you click on what? Gallery. So I'll click on gallery and I will choose a profile picture from my phone and then put it there. I hope you get me. Since it is just for tutorials, let me select any random picture as my profile picture, but you should have your own picture that you want to use, either your own picture or your designed picture that you want to use as your profile picture. So I'm going to use this laptop there and then I will zoom it a little and then you click on save as profile picture. All right, so this one will now become your profile picture. I hope you get me. Now the next thing is the channel name. So this is where you are going to write the name of your channel. So you will click on the pencil here. There is a name here because that is the name that I've used for the email that I created. All right, so if you don't want it, you can just change it. Okay, so let's take it as I want it to be Honesty IT, right? Good. So that is the name. Then I click on what? Save. So that will be your channel name. And as soon as you create your channel name, you will see that your channel handle will also change to the particular name that you chose. I hope you get me. But if you don't want it and then you want to create your own channel handle too, then you can choose to click the pencil here and then you edit it and then you write the type of handle that you want to use. Okay, so I want to maintain this one, Honesty IT. It is always best for you to maintain that particular name that you used for your channel and as your channel handle, so that anytime people are searching for you, as soon as they type the name or they type the handle, since they're having the same name, it will be easy for them to identify you. I hope you get me. So when you are done, then you click on create channel. You understand? So you click on create channel. So I'll click on it like this. This name can't be used for your YouTube channel. Try again with a different name. Okay, so Honesty IT Tools. All right, and then I'll click here. I'll change it, Honesty IT Tools. I click on save. Let's see. All right, so now your channel has been created. Your channel has been created. So now you're having a channel on YouTube. All right. In the YouTube VIP class that I have prepared, I will show you step by step how to set up your channel properly before uploading your first video. I'll also show you the right ways to upload your videos, and most importantly, I will show you the best ways to make money from YouTube even before you reach monetization threshold. See the link in the description below to register now.